Hello guys, now I would like to welcome you in my channel. Now in today's video we are discussing about a very interesting topic. Today we are understanding a case study where you can see on the screen as well. The case study suggests about two different criterias. A title of story is really complicated as well as very important for our growth. You can see clearly we are discussing about the India and Australia, how the economies and the stable lifestyle are moving towards to them. Let's understand with the basic to advanced level, conceptual level. First of all, the title of this video is very clear. As you can see, economic lifestyle and growth we are talking about. So in that we are understanding from growing well-being for a development path of India and Australia. We are comparing two countries of India and Australia. Let's understand what India do better and what Australia do better. So first, as you can see, as we I mentioned, India's rising growth. What we understanding about the India's rising growth? Why we are discussing about? So first of all, as you can see over here, which the point is I highlighted by me, you can see properly that India is the world largest populated country nowadays. We are the world फिफ्थ लार्जेस्ट, वी आर द वर्ल्ड फिफ्थ लार्जेस्ट इकोनॉमी. हम दुनिया की पांचवी सबसे बड़ी अर्थव्यवस्था है एंड ग्रोइंग 6 to 7% एनुअली. स्टार्टअप हब ओवर द 100+ यूनिकॉर्न्स इन इंडिया. आज के दिन के अंदर इंडिया हैव अ 100+ यूनिकॉर्न. एक्सपेंड डिजिटल इकोनॉमी एंड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग बेस. सो वी हैव अ totally expenditure based on the digital currency are already rising in India very much, and manufacturing base is also good. Then we are talking about the rapid urbanization means that the villages people move to the cities areas or either converting to the rural areas to the urban areas, known as the urbanization. So in India the urbanization will be move very fast, rapid urbanization and infrastructure. So in India, the rapid urbanization is happening. So currently, right now, is if I wanted to make a sense over here, so India is rising economy. As we see in the number properly, we are fifth largest economy, 6 to 7% growing GDP rate of annually. It is very good for us. See, we have gained 100+ unicorns this year. How many unicorns we created? 100+ unicorns. Can you imagine that? 100+ unicorns from the one country. 100 unicorns we have. Unicorns is a company which have a higher valuation more than $100 million. So in the most important topic which I convey to you is that how the Australia is looking all of this. As we know, Australia is also a good country to live, but the problem lies here. Australia have a balanced growth. Australia does have the balanced growth. Either we don't have the balanced growth right now. See, first, Australia is a developing country, no doubt in this. That should be a no doubt on the Australia is developing country. Not developing country, is developed country, high income nation, strong welfare state. They have a free health care and social security. The social security is based on the society, how they have a freedom of expression. Then we go for further points. We can see that focus on the environmental sustainability is a bigger problem nowadays. Why the environmental sustainability is a bigger problem? Because we are living to a world which talking about the sustainable development, SDGs, and United Nations and the Human Development Index is also counting the sustainable development is a very major point for the human development. On the other hand, we see the AQI, air quality index, Guinea, Guinea rank, gender equality ratio, GNI. Then we consider some of the other numbers as well. Other numerical essence are there for measuring the development. Then we have HDI is life satisfaction. HDI is a measurement to count the development happen onto the nation, not only nationally economically, but as a socially as well. As you see, before the 1991, people are giving more importance to the national income, but later on the time the economists are understood that the money they are putting, it's not enough, but they have to generate some of the development and human sustainability and equality as well into the society if the nation wanted to grow. So in that terms we can say that the Australia is being far better than India on the basis of the human development index, on the basis of the environment, and the basis of the lifestyle. But still there is a lot of problems in India. Let's discuss. So rise crony capitalism. Now you wanted to see what is the meaning of crony capitalism. So crony capitalism means that the big companies or only big few peoples are growing farther, the other peoples remain the same. Close ties between a big business and politics. Now here you can see India have 100 plus unicorns, but at the same time India have the social disparity, income disparity, and social injustice, economical injustice as well. If we wanted to grow higher in lives, if we wanted to grow more development, then we look after the equality, and we have to strongly oppose the imperialism which rising in India by the crony capitalists, growing corporates and monopolies. Now you see, if a country wanted to survive for a longer period of time and consume the development as well, they have to look after the crony corporate monopolies. What is the crony capitalist corporate? Like one company handling a one nation, it should be very harmful and very dangerous, because after the gaining the monopolies in the market will be seen very fluctuated. Few people are making money, it rise the social and economical injustice. As if we go to the track, I have to recall the American economics lines which says that in rich India poor people lives. So if we are going for a chronic capitalist India, so that will the problem is very higher. Wealth concentration, top 1% own 40% of the wealth. Can you imagine, we are living up to the country where the wealth of the corporation 1% only owning how many percentage of the wealth? 40% of the wealth. It means the 1% people in one people 1 percentage of the people having the 40 plus wealth reduce small scale entrepreneurs. Now government is focused on SMEs, small medium enterprise. So in SMMEs, government want that the small farmers, the small businessmen grow into the life. That's why they are doing it. On the other point, let's discuss here a chart I made from the AI that which suggests the lifestyle maintains who lives better. So you can see the average income in India is only $1,730, where the Australia have been sitting onto the 66,000, where we compete with Australia. Life expectancy, you can see the life expectancy in India is 70%, but according to me and my essence, it should be wrong, because in human development it says that India's life expectancy is only 68%, but 70% Australia have a 83%. Human development index, it is a most important factor. We are sitting into the 132 position as a world fifth largest economy. We are the world fifth largest. Can you imagine, we are the fifth largest, and according to our human development index we are the 132 rank. Australia living into the fifth rank. As usual, Australia is a very good country to live. They have a better lifestyle to then access of healthcare partial universal. So as we see, there's a privatization in the healthcare as well. The government hospitals are good, but they are not capable enough to provide to the majority of section of the free and good healthcare, though that's why India's healthcare access is good, but it should be, there are the chances of improve universal. So Australia have a universal healthcare facilities, they have the very good work life balance, poor excellence, because we have the people like Narayana Murthy who says that work 70 hours a week. How you can work 70 hours a week if you want that you are paying enough salary for them? No. So we have to look after the work life balance, because at that how we will develop into the more sense. It is the video just I make for the educational purposes only. I want that, I know that my country is a potential to grow, and we will grow in the future, but that's the points we have to mention. We have to work and we have to improve. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, make subscribe to this video, uh, like the subscribe my channel, and like this video and share if it possible. Thank you.